Hello everyone, I am Subbaraju Sir from Coding Masters. If you are searching for a data science course with placement support in Hyderabad, you have come to the right place. Data science is one of the most in-demand career fields today, with opportunities across industries such as IT, healthcare, finance, e-commerce, and many more. At Coding Masters, our data science training is designed for students, recent graduates, job seekers, and working professionals who want to build practical skills and prepare for industry opportunities. In this program, you will learn Python programming, SQL, statistics, data analysis, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, data visualization, and work on real-time projects that help you gain hands-on experience. Along with technical training, we also provide placement support, including resume building, interview preparation, mock interviews, and project guidance to help you prepare for job opportunities with confidence. If you would like to know the complete syllabus, batch timings, training methodology, placement support, or any other details, I invite you to attend our free demo session. During the demo, you can interact with me directly, experience our teaching style, and get answers to all your questions, including course fees and other information. To book your free demo session, contact us on WhatsApp or call 871-216-9228. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and career guidance. Thank you for watching. I look forward to meeting you in our demo session.